Welcome to Investing in Real Estate 101 Tips for Beginners. Whether you're a first-time investor or looking to expand your portfolio, this video is designed to provide you with the knowledge and guidance you need to venture into the exciting world of real estate investing. From residential properties to commercial spaces, real estate offers a wide range of opportunities to generate wealth and secure your financial future. Different investment options. Before diving into real estate investing, it's crucial to understand the different investment options available. Residential properties, such as single-family homes or apartments, can provide steady rental income. On the other hand, commercial properties, including office buildings or retail spaces, offer long-term lease agreements with potentially higher returns. Financing your purchases. One of the key aspects of real estate investing is financing your purchases. Traditional methods like mortgages and loans are common options. However, you can also explore alternative financing solutions, such as partnerships or crowdfunding platforms, to raise capital for your investments. Analyzing potential deals. Successful real estate investors know how to analyze potential deals effectively. Factors like location, market trends, rental demand, and property condition play a vital role in evaluating the profitability of an investment. Conduct thorough research and seek guidance from experienced professionals to make informed decisions. Property management. Once you've acquired an investment property, effective management is crucial. From finding reliable tenants to property maintenance and rent collection, managing your properties requires time, effort, and proper strategies. You can choose to handle it yourself or hire professional property managers for a hassle-free experience. Exit strategies. As a real estate investor, it's essential to have exit strategies in place. Whether you plan to sell the property at a profit, refinance to leverage additional investments, or hold it for long-term rental income, having a clear plan will enable you to maximize your returns and adapt to changing market conditions. Congratulations! You are now equipped with the essential tips and strategies for diving into the world of real estate investing. Remember to start with thorough research, seek professional advice, and take calculated risks. As a beginner, patience and perseverance are key traits that will lead you to long-term success. Good luck on your real estate investing journey.